Hello and welcome everyone. We are doing Bandit level 14 from Over the Wire. First of all, let's connect to the SSH server. In our previous level, we had Bandit 14 private key. So first of all, we'll connect to the server by using that key. So we'll do SSH-I and 14 SSH-I Bandit. The private key will say Bandit 14 at the rate. We'll copy this from here. We'll remove the space. We'll mention the port, that is 2220, and we'll press enter. We are connected to the server as Bandit 14. Let's clear the screen. The password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to port 30,000 on localhost. We have to use commands like Telnet or maybe OpenSSL to connect to the localhost on the port 30,000. So what we're gonna do is first we'll retrieve the password. We'll say cat/etc/bandit pass and we'll say bandit 14 and we'll press enter. We got the password. We'll clear the screen and we have to submit the password on the 30,000 on localhost. We'll say Telnet. Then press H for help command, and here we can see the host name and the port. This is how we can use Telnet. So we'll say Telnet, that is host name will be localhost and port would be 30,000, and we'll press enter and we'll press Ctrl+Shift+V and we got the password for the next level. Let's copy this. We'll say echo bandit 15 and we are going to disconnect by pressing Ctrl D. So we will clear the screen now. So we are doing Bandit level 15 to 16 and the password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to port 30,001 on localhost using SSL encryption. So first of all, connect to Bandit 15 SSH Bandit 15 at the rate. We'll copy this from here. We'll paste it by pressing Ctrl+Shift+V. Oops, my bad. We'll copy this from here and we'll press it by pressing Ctrl+Shift+V. We'll remove the space. We'll specify the port 0. We'll paste the password. Permission denied. Let's copy this. We'll paste it. Press enter. We are connected. We'll clear the screen. We'll use OpenSSL. We'll use s_client and we'll say host is localhost and port is 3001. We'll press enter and we have to submit the current password. We'll press Ctrl+Shift+V. We'll press enter and we got the password for the next level. We'll copy it by pressing Ctrl Shift C. We'll do the echo command. We'll say Ctrl Shift V. We'll press enter. And we are going to disconnect Bandit 15 by pressing Ctrl D. Let's clear the screen. So now we are doing Bandit level 16 and 17. Let's connect to the server. Bandit 16 @ we'll copy this. We'll paste it. We'll specify the port. Save and press enter. We are going to copy the password. We are going to paste it. Press enter. Let's clear the screen. A credential for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to a port on localhost in range of 31,000 to 32,000. First, find out which of these ports have a server listening on them. Then find out which of this speaks SSL and which don't. So we are going to use nmap for this. We'll say nmap, and first we'll do help. So in nmap, if we do a, which is enable OS detection, version detection, script scanning, and trace route. So basically it gives all the information that is required. You can do OS for -O for OS detection. And what else? You can specify the range of the port by doing P and then specify the range. Options which take time are in seconds or append ms milliseconds. So you can set timing template. The higher is faster. So you can go the scanning time from 0 to 5. And we'll first clear the screen. So we'll do nmap localhost. We'll do -A. We'll do -T3. We'll do V for verbose, and we'll specify the range of the port, that is 3100 000 and 3200, and we'll press enter. Oh, we forgot to put dash. So we got 5 open ports. Nmap takes a while to scan. And we have the result. So we got one port that speaks SSL, and here we got another port that speaks SSL. So yet we got 2 ports out of 5. So let's copy this. Echo unknown. Let's try the first port first. We'll clear the screen. We'll use OpenSSL. We'll say S client. We'll specify the port, host, that is local host, and we'll specify the port. The first port that we got was this. We'll press Ctrl Shift V and we'll copy the password. Port, it should be port. We'll press Ctrl Shift V, but we have to submit the current password for this level. So nothing, it got echoed. We'll see, we'll connect to this and see what happens. 31790. We'll do the same command by pressing the up arrow and 31790. We'll submit the password for current level and we got an RSA private key. So we can copy this private key by pressing Ctrl Shift C. We'll say gedit and unknown private. We'll say 17 private. We'll paste the key and we'll press enter. We'll save it. We'll close it. And we're going to do a chmod plus 600 and we'll say null. That's disconnected from here. Let's try to connect to Bandit 17 by using that key. 17 I for using the private key and we'll say unknown and press enter. And we are connected to the Bandit 17. Thank you for watching.